Hello and welcome to Wasdas, and today we'll talk about negation. In other words, how to say that something is not the case. Let's get started. Let's begin with some repetition and some exciting visual examples. Das ist ein Glas. That's a glass. Das ist ein Apfel. That's an apple. Das ist eine Banane. That's a banana. We say ein Glas because das Glas is a neutral noun. And we say ein Apfel because der Apfel is a masculine noun. But why do we say eine Banane? Because die Banane is a feminine noun. And here we always use eine. So how would we say that's not an apple, that's not a banana? Here's how. Das ist kein Apfel. That's not an apple. Das ist keine Banane. That's not a banana. Das ist kein Glas. That's not a glass. That's a very insightful lesson so far. Well, the smart cookies here among you have probably already figured out the rule. In order to negate a sentence with a common noun that is either masculine or neutral, we use kein. In order to negate a sentence with a common noun that is feminine, we use keine. And that makes sense. Ein becomes kein and eine becomes keine. Das ist ein Glas. Das ist kein Glas. Das ist ein Apfel. Das ist kein Apfel. Das ist eine Banane. Das ist keine Banane. Das ist ein Glas. And that's it. It's that easy. But there's only one more thing. What when we talk about more items, the plural, when we wanted to say that aren't apples or that aren't bananas. And here's how we do it. To learn those very important sentences. These two, they aren't bananas. Das sind keine Bananen. These two, these aren't glasses. Das sind keine Gläser. And these two, they aren't apples. Das sind keine Äpfel. So, luckily, the rule here is very simple. Whenever we talk about the general plural, we use keine, no matter what gender the noun has. Again, which is beautiful. Here's what we have learned today. We use kein to negate common, masculine or neutral nouns, and we use keine to negate common feminine nouns. Ein becomes kein and eine becomes keine. But we use keine for the general plural as well, no matter what gender the noun has. You have learned some new valuable German skills today that you can show off by pointing at random items saying, das ist keine Banane. Just don't point at bananas, that would really make you look silly. If you want to practice what you have just learned today, click on the link below for a free exercise. No sign up necessary, as always. For more explanations, exercises and fun learning games, visit our website at www.wasdas.com. You'll find the link in the description below. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun German lessons. See you then. Bye bye.